Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news into the market today at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious. As you know, the price can be really volatile and which is not ideal for the lower time frame trade. Now let's move to the charts. As we move into the charts, what we can see is that the price had reacted from the 50% of this wick, and we are having this BPR. So I'm anticipating that most likely the price is going to move down and mitigate this BPR, and then we can see the reaction into the either side. So now let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, what we can see is that today is going to be the week close. So I'll be anticipating that if we are going to get a close below this structure, then most likely the price will be showing its hand that it is going to go down. Else, I'll be anticipating that the price can move further up. So for today's bias, the weekly is still not clear. Though we can see that the price is reluctant to make any kind of AVG into the charts. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we can see is that this was the area where the price was reluctant to give a close, and now we have closed above just yesterday. So I'm anticipating that it is a kind of a mixed signal because the price had taken the previous day's liquidity and took the day before yesterday, that is Tuesday's liquidity, and then moved into the higher side. So even in daily, the bias is not clear. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hours, what we can see is that the price had taken the extreme liquidity and we are sweeping the highs. Not only that, we had swept this previous high and the price is within this 4-hour candle range. So even here, the bias is still not clear. So let's move to the 1 hours. As we move into the 1 hour, what we can see is that this was the low which took the liquidity of the previous candle and then moved into the higher side and responsible for breaking this high. So if the price breaks this New York's low, then I'll be anticipating that most likely we are going to continue our journey into the downward side towards the higher time frame BP or the POI that is sitting over here. So this could be a possibility. Else, if we get a close above, let's say in the Asia session or something, till the price remains in this 4-hour candle, the the market will be really indecisive. So I will prefer not to trade in today's market. So traders, this was pretty much it. And do write me into the comments if you have any doubts or any suggestion for this channel. Till then, keep trading and keep learning.